So this is the bottle we are going to use. This is the cutout from the magazine, and others, they are small pieces. That one was the biggest one. We will dip all the pieces in the water and keep them aside for a while. We don't want them too wet or we don't want them too dry, so we will dip them and keep them aside. And don't just wet all the papers at the same time. This is the biggest one we are going to use. Now we are applying white glue, plain white glue. We are not mixing anything in it, and we are spreading it with brush. Now let's paste all these wet papers one by one. Wherever you feel we haven't applied white glue in enough quantity, just add a little bit more. We don't want wrinkles on it, so take care of it while pasting the paper. Decoupage, it is a French word. Découper is the verb, which means to cut, and page means paper. So basically, word to word translation is cutting of papers. And in 17th century, it has been discovered that artistically cutting of paper and applying it on other materials is decoupage, that we are doing right now. So basically we are following the exact same definition of it. We are not going to use Podge because due to lockdown I cannot go out and buy it, but good for me, I found another method which is very easy and economical also. So if you are enjoying our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Watch them till end, like them, share them, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Subscription helps every YouTuber to grow their channel and motivate them in creating good content. This is the exact same method that we are going to use for the entire bottle. Now the bottle is ready. The last thing is we are going to apply a mixture of white glue and water on it. 60% of white glue and 40% of water. But before that, we are going to fill all the small gaps which are there, and we are going to make it even. White glue will work for that. Just remember one thing, we don't want wrinkles on any of the side. This is how we are going to coat it with 2 or 3 layers. For more amazing videos like this, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and we promise you to give new tricks and tips in every other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.